We've got crispy, spicy strips of steak, stir-fried with noodles, crunchy vegetables, and a lovely, sticky, citrusy stir-fry sauce. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. And today we're making crispy chili beef noodles. Now I've got 3 thin steaks here, which is about 300 to 400 grams. And I've put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes just to firm them up slightly so that they're much easier to slice thinly. So let's get cooking. Now we want to cut that steak into nice thin strips against the grain so that it's lovely and tender and it prevents any chewiness in that steak. Now add those steak strips to a bowl and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in the US and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and then toss it all together until the steak strips are completely coated. Now we want to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or a large frying pan over a high heat. Once that oil's hot, tip the beef in and we're going to fry until brown and crispy. It should take about 5 minutes altogether until it's nice and crispy. Don't move it around too much as that will reduce the crispiness. And then we're going to remove the steak and add it to a bowl that's got some kitchen roll in it to soak up excess fat. Now turn the heat on the wok down to medium and we're going to add another tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to add 200 grams of small florets of broccoli plus a sliced red pepper. Fry that together for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to add in 3 minced cloves of garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger and fry that all together, stirring often for about 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and transfer the vegetables to the bowl with the beef. So now we're going to make the sauce for the stir fry, and I'm using 3 average size limes here, which should get you about 6 tablespoons of lime juice altogether. We're also going to be using 6 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Now I know that seems like quite a lot of sugar, but it balances everything out with the limes and the soy sauce perfectly. So if you decide to reduce the sugar, you're going to need to reduce the soy sauce and the lime juice as well. So juice those 3 limes in a bowl. And then we're going to add the 6 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and a finely chopped red chilli, and stir it all together. Turn the heat back on for the wok up to a high heat and then add the sauce and bring it to a bubble. So I'm going to leave that to simmer now for a few minutes until it reduces down by about 1/3 and it should thicken up ever so slightly. Now for the noodles for this dish, I'm using ready cooked egg noodles. I've got about 400 grams here, which is about 14 ounces. If you prefer, you can use dried medium egg noodles. Just cook them as per the instructions, then run them under cold water and toss with about a teaspoon of sesame oil just to prevent them from sticking together, and then you can use them as you would the ready cooked noodles. Once that sauce has reduced slightly, we're going to add the cooked noodles into the pan and heat them through. Take about 2 or 3 minutes. Now add in that cooked steak and the broccoli and peppers from earlier. And we're going to stir all that together. We're also going to add in 4 spring onions or scallions that have been chopped into 2 centimetre pieces. Stir fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes, tossing everything together constantly until everything is piping hot and we're ready to serve. Divide the noodles between bowls, and then I like to top with some sliced spring onions, some chili flakes and some finely chopped fresh chilli. And there you go, that's my crispy chili beef noodles full of tangy, zesty, citrusy flavours. And if you like this, you're going to love my crispy chili beef or my crispy sesame chicken. See you next time.